Alright, let's just make this one quick because I have too many videos planned, so I'm just going to do Mecha Cartoon Cat versus Dead Grave. So, fight. Oh god. Violent. Okay. Mecha Cartoon Cat's going crazy. Raven is Dead Grave. Oh, there he is. Hi, Dead Grave. So, from what I can see, turn him off. From what I can see, he heals 1 health every second, and earlier when I turned ignore players off, he started stealing my life. So, I'm assuming that's what he does to heal sometimes. Mecha Cartoon Cat doesn't heal, but he has a lot of health and a lot of attacks in return. He also farts every once in a while, which kills me. Just wait for it. Told you. Okay, now continue. Dead Grave just does not care. Hold on, let me make this fair. Oh wait. Okay, now it's fair. Go, Dead Grave. Do it, Dead Grave. Oh god. Oh wait, what was that? He just pulled out someone's life and just used it to kill it. Find you some. Thank you. Oh, he's stealing Mecha Cartoon Cat's life. He's running. Why is he running? He's scared of Mecha Cartoon Cat? For no reason. Did he teleport? Anyway, time to put a bunch of them against him. Survival mode. Wow, this grass does not work. Anyway. Oh yeah, I also need to review Wendigo, so I guess I'll put him in here. So 3 monsters all fight. Go. I think I might, yeah. New Dead Grave just arrived. Wait. What? Oh, there's 2 of them. Wait, so every time I hit this, there's a new Dead Grave? Oh, wow. I think Wendigo's distracted, just put him down there. Also, every time I hit this, I think there's a new Dead Grave. You know what that means. Infinite Dead Grave! Oh. Okay, don't hit it too much. He's stuck cool. What? Why'd they lose interest in each other? Oh, there we go. Fixed it. Okay, these guys are all glitchy, and then there's just all the Wendigos just traveling about their day. And then someone just comes up to them with a shotgun and goes bam! These people do not have much damage reduction. I bet if I just put 1 grenade at him right now, he'll... How is he not dead? Boom. Boom. These guys don't have much damage reduction. Just good. This makes it fair. So now I want to put down... everyone knows, I think, at this point, that one of my favorite things of the Gary Small Trevors is the cartoon team. Even if they do like my game. I just gotta bring them all folks together. And he immediately jumps for joy, because of female cartoon cat, I guess. I guess the rest of them are in those seats. There, boom. These are all... Like, the cartoon team will forever be one of my favorite things of Gary's mod. But it's the same with the Siren team, and I'm assuming Dead Grave is one of them. Because I call him Gravehead or something. Oh, old Cartoon Cat! I keep on forgetting about him. I guess Mecha Cartoon Cat is a really big fan of the Go Cat thing. And what if I put the cartoon team up against the cartoon team? I'm gonna put like the main ones down. It's been a while since I watched SpongeBob. Anyway, everybody fine. Oh god, immediately there goes some blasters and some music. Ah. They all made up. Oh, Mecha Cartoon Cat's all the way over here. I'm just gonna bring him back up here. Ah! Mecha Cartoon Cat is not friends with these guys. But the rest are. Like, somehow. Up, they're all angry, Who are they angry at? Squidward? I'm gonna put them all down here since Mecha Cartoon Cat keeps on going down there. Is it doing anything? I don't think this is doing anything. It's all... Up! Somehow Mr. Krabs died. Oh, Mecha Cartoon Cat is going for Squidward and SpongeBob. Run! He's coming! Oh god! Oh, I think Cartoon Lion is angry at someone. Run, you two! I forgot SpongeBob will run out of, water soon. Run! But then the Mecha Cartoon Cat started going faster. Oh god, Squidward tried to attack and oh god, SpongeBob! Run! No, SpongeBob! He flew him in the air! Go! Yes. Kill Squid. I'm gonna give him some help with one of the strong cartoon creatures outside. Oh. Cartoon Cat killed Patrick, that's random. Okay, why is Cartoon Lion... Why are they angry at Mecha Cartoon Cat? What the... Oh, there's female Cartoon Cat. Hello, bro. Why do they all seem angry at him? Yeah, maybe I just need to give him a bit of encouragement. There we go, that's your encouragement. Use it wisely. It's good encouragement. Oh, okay, she's running. Cartoon Cat, your girlfriend is being hurt. What your girlfriend's being hurt. Girlfriend was murdered. He's probably not gonna be happy yet about that. Seems like he wants to kill him, but at the same time, he doesn't. That's really weird. Oh god. Oh god. Yep. Yeah. Why does he run whenever he gets the chance? Oh, Savannah.